How to make your Instagram account private. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Scroll down until you find Account Privacy and tap on it. Here, you'll see the Private Account option. If your account is currently public, this option will be turned off. Tap the switch next to Private Account. Instagram will now show you a confirmation message asking if you want to switch your account to private. Tap Switch to Private to confirm. Your Instagram account is now private. This means that people who aren't following you won't be able to see your posts, stories, reels, or other content unless you approve their follow request. And that's how you can make your Instagram account private. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.